Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. We have Ariana Grande here with a song called Ordinary Things. This is featuring Nana. So, a great song here. So, Grande, she really projects this feeling of doing ordinary things, like doing tutorials, for instance. So, let's take a look at this nice song here. We do that with a capo on the first fret. With that, we have 4 different chords. So let's start with the first one. That's the C major 7. So that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord is very similar here to this one. It's another variation of C. You just add the 3rd fret on the B string. Everything else is the same, so that will be this sound here. 3rd fret on A, 2nd on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And regarding these 2 chords here, when you do the strumming later on, try to avoid the last E string if you can, because the change here in this chord progression here happens on the B string. Okay, so that is the only difference between C major and the standard C there with this added 3rd fret B string is open B string and 3rd B string. All right, so try to really hit that string, or at least avoid the last E when you do the strumming. Just some technical stuff there. Let's move on to the next 3rd chord. That's the G minor bar chord. So you play the bar here on the 3rd fret. You bar all strings there on 3rd fret, and then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. And then you have the last chord, the F. Looks like the G minor almost. You're at the 1st position now with their index finger. You bar all strings there as well. And then you need to add 3rd fret on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So there you have the chord progression. We have the C major, we have the C, we'll call that just the standard C, and then we have the G minor and F. Alright, so we're gonna learn the strumming pattern. It's not that hard. Go back to the C major, the 1st chord. Now 1 round will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so down, up, then clap, up, down, up. Alright, so you're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord in the same order through the entire song. So C major, C, G minor, and F gives us Alright, so there you have it, Ordinary Things. Hope that helps, and hope you support me here on Growing Guitar. Really appreciate that. So till next time, play tuned.